Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu na Oraifite. Mommy Poma Kachuko. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu na temple. Anyị na-agba afọ mmiri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission bụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or ordinary evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu. Isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ my advice to young men and women. So, ọ bụrụ na they fall within this age bracket, pay attention. You will learn something that will change your life for good. Yes. Gịnị ka m na-ekwu maka ya? Ọ bụrụ na ị bụ onye nwa okorobịa ma nwa agbọghọbịa ka na-etolite ihe ị ga-eme avoid ka ị ghara ịkwa ngaramara. Anyị wee kwuo na n'oge a bụ oge decision making, and if you get it right, ịma akụ ọta. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ na-ata afụfụ na-akụ ọta n'ụbọchị taa. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ na-ebo so many people na ọha nwa dị responsible for their predicaments. But I'm here to clear the air. Nke bụ isiokwu na ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ na-ata afụfụ because of wrong decisions they took when last 10, 15, 20 years ago. And I'm here to pre-warn you not to make similar mistakes of the people of the old. Decision you made today, negative decision you made today, might hurt you in the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years, even throughout your life. So whenever you are making decision, be very mindful of what you want. Sometimes you choose best what you want, right? But it's wrong. What you should be choosing is what you need. Your needs is what actually will help you from point A to point B. Yes. So pay attention in today's lecture. And that's my advice. So pay attention. Before we dive into today's lecture, I am in the month of August. Our group ritual for the month is still ongoing. And you can join this group ritual anywhere you are all over the world. I am mandatory to 3 years now. Believe me, we have massive testimonies. But as you all know, we don't share testimonies on social media. TV, but I can tell you that you one net N'isi ụtụtụ eje go ri temple chụọ aja ka ọfọ kwubi okwu n'isi ndị tụnyela all over the world. Anyị ga-emegide etu until the last day of the month. Anyị ga-eje na mmiri chụọ aja kpee ile ọbara ha mmadụ. Bịa na temple chụọ aja to entities of powers. Jee n'ebe nchụ aja gbuo ebibi mee saraka. Then kekwasị uke na ndị amụsụ n'aha mmadụ. So ọ bụrụ na ị dị interested isonyere anyị, chat m na WhatsApp ma gwa other details we need from you in order to book you. Yes, but before you know my WhatsApp number, ọkwa nke ebua. Ọ bụrụ na ị bụ child of the temple, echefuna na annual festival nke this year bụ na 16th of September. Echefukwara na atụrụ anya n'aka gị dịka onye child of the temple ebe ọ bụla ị nọ na nsọtụ ụwa dum. Whether mme nwee ike ịbịa ma ọ bụ na ị mara abịa, echefuna na ị ga-esend ya support for the festival. Echefukwara na festival nke this year be very unique because the festival this year was a special festival. Na nya bụ 16th ka anyị ga-atọ ntọala place of worship of Chukwu oke pụrụ ime ihe niile. So atụrụ anya na onye ọbụla ga-enye support. Ọ bụkwa na ịwa fans chọọ support n'ihe a na-eme, still chat me on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number ị ga-eji nweta mbụ 0805-7837672 or 08138243871. Na ya na screen gị ga-afụ these numbers mbọ. Now let's dive into today's lecture. Like today's lecture, I'm giving all my advice to young men and women. I want you to pay attention. I can tell you, I'm talking by experience. Yes, I will tell you what you must avoid. 1. You must have your vision well articulated. You must set your goals, have that your vision. Remember, Hosea 4:6 says, and I quote, "My people are suffering because of lack of vision and knowledge." So you must have the right vision and have the right knowledge in order to move from point A to point B. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ are suffering today because they are clueless. Most of them don't understand how things work. In creation, ị ga-agbarịrị mbọ malụ ihe ahụ ya vision, ebe your passion lies. Then your passion should not be influenced by other people's passion. Ya bụrụ na that what you are yearning for is what comes from within, where you are the best. Ebe ị na-emekarị ọfụma. Ọ bụrụ na ị bụ onye ndụ nke mmụọ, bido n'ihe na-eme na ndụ gị na mgbe ị na-etonite, they are towards spirituality. Pay attention to that spirituality. Maybe you are a called one. And don't steady pay attention to that spirituality ka ị ga-eji wee dị ebube. Ọ bụrụkwa na onye what you are yearning for is ịzụ ahịa, maybe na ị nwere agwụ azụmahịa. Yes, business magnet. Go towards that plan. Ọ bụrụ na ị bụ onye nwere like ihe eji aka eme aka ọlụ, pay attention to that area. Ebe a ka ị ga-esi wee dị ebube. Nke bụ isiokwu na because of so much noise happening in your life right now, because now your life is full of so much expectation without planning. You are looking up to some certain people that will not even add anything to your life existence. So ịbụ oriakụ, ị chọrọ ịdị eriakụ mana ị chọrọ ka ị mara ka esi akpata akụ. Ọ bụrụ na ịhụrụ ihe ndị a bụ ihe juru obi gị, ị ma na ime nwee ike focus mara exactly ebe where your strength lies. So wherever your strength lies, try to develop it the more. Give nwoke ị kwesịrị inwe vision, because all your vision and knowledge ga-drive gị ebe ị ga-anọ tomorrow. Ndị mmadụ na-ekwu okwu sị acquiring knowledge. Yes, acquiring knowledge is very important, but I can tell you now what will catapult you from point A to point B is applying the knowledge. And what ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ nwere, they are knowledgeable today but they amount to nothing. So not actually acquiring knowledge is the most important thing. No, knowing how to apply that knowledge. Yes. So one, he had the focus, matter exactly what he wants in life. And that your ambition and focus, he focus. Pay attention to it consistently. He will create a result. Because no one go set goal, he set as a man. Because a man remains the head. Now, once you set a goal, then when you are choosing a life partner, then make sure you choose someone that believes in your set goals. But choose somebody that is going the same way you are going. Because if he makes mistake and choose someone that is so lazy, somebody that doesn't believe in your ambition, the person will keep on being a stumbling block to you. You keep on pulling you down. So when you are choosing, stop choosing basically because of the person is too crying to you. You know, so there is this zodiac sign that they are too good at crying. Any small thing they begin to cry. They are too manipulative. I don't want to mention them, but you can know about them if you are following me. Now, don't avoid those first people that is too manipulating. They use emotions to blackmail you. So look for someone that, not somebody that is claiming that he loves you. No, look for somebody that have the same ambition. Always through a question, have interaction with the person to ascertain that this person is going where you are going. The same advice is for both male and female. Now, but as a man, you must look for somebody that will support your vision in order to reach where you want to reach. Because if you choose someone that is not thinking the way you're thinking or have the same ambition, you are going to fail. Remember the story of Samson in the Bible. Samson married Delilah. Delilah is a beautiful woman, no doubt. But Delilah have different ambition, different mission that is so different from Samson's own. And at the end of the day, Delilah ambition crippled Samson's mission. So the partner you choose tomorrow might be a hindrance to where you're supposed to be. So whenever you are making a choice, man or woman, choose someone that share the same ambition and mission with you, so that stop choosing based on number or those earthly things. Look for the virtue, the core person. the core value of that human being, because those physical beauty, physical attributes will still fade. It's just a matter of time. Now, if a man choose the right person, because he choose all the wrong person, he got target half of it in the then everyone, I don't want to mistake on why name, why again. I want to mistake for why name. More for you, they choose a partner. Happen when automatically very manipulative in nature. They are too emotional. They have go for the blackmail again. Now say they are like reggae. But this one is very lazy. You know, I think about to it all gets manipulated when you a woman that is doing well. He have a business, he have good earning. But we don't manipulate. Why again they are able to panic. They are about the woman. They are usually a plan again. In the next 2, 5, 10 years plan. Can I have your plans? Or what do you home well? Oh, I got it all one and I able to quick or they able to. It usually they are the plans. They go on other then. Forget about Nollywood. Nollywood already destroyed our values. Yes, our core values. By telling people then when they head it called Wego. When they came on the food name, yeah, abracadabra, they got a monastic gossip and gossip, they got what they had. Yes. So here natural why you talk nowadays that they had. So Obro Nonya and I went in the able to one and Kanka. And the one thing I want to tell you, you man over in Anaka, or where's you? Everyone, because then you have no more to wine no crying in my boss. Our the Obro Nagawan in a choose a partner. In actual those men who live so broke, thinking the hard for missing. What is you? Ogbuefi na anọ ka ahụ adịrị ya. Nwoke nwere ego ma ọ young man nwere ego nwere ike dị too humble. O nwere ike ọ na-abịa nso, o nwere ike ịda asụrụ gị akwa, o nwere ike ịda azara uwu, o nwere ike ịda eme those things. Because no ka dị broke. Ihe abụrụ humility. Ihe abụrụ calm guy. This guy na-asụrụ gị akwa na-aza ilo, na-eme nke a na-eme nke ọzọ. Ka ọ fụ ihe 5 million naira gbakọrọ ọnụ. Ịfụzie the tiger dị n'ime. So ejina na mmadụ na nwoke a this boy is very sorry broke. Ụfọdụ nwoke na afọ bụ ndị oji amụ ejighị ego. Ọ dị very weak. That is nwere ihe ọma, ọ dị very lazy. Ihe ọ na-achọ at that particular time is shelter. Henji agwa gị ihe ahụ na mbịa mmepe bọs ma ife ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ na-asị m Eze-Ana na ihe a na-pass through. Sometimes ọ nwere onye nke gwara m na ya pick this particular guy from nothing. He has this particular guy. The guy is homeless. He's a graduate, but not lazy. What do you honor? Yes. So whenever that this guy meet in Port Harcourt, now we have for this guy for a whole 6 months. They feed you, they clothe you, they marry everything. Now look at you, they take the responsibility, both physical and the spiritual. This guy, when he teach and he come mad. Only came Mrs. Yellow. I don't know uncle. This particular guy, not a government, we a politician. We secure this guy a work as PA to governor. To this guy, she will make it. What I said, do you know now this particular lady house for over 6 months? They were all this guy, Buddha Biana. Since sorry, no one emergency near Port Harcourt. For me, that Port Harcourt that one, weeks, months before you know it, I was just sorry, and I secure all from Evo PA to Mr. Governor. And Ochiroshi called this lady Ugwo Akani no area. Egotaria. Here na check over again na that Tonya one asagi na anakoro gogi. They humble today because all the broke. Every gesima a man that genuinely love you. Go by the anaka. If the real part of that particular person. Di bonatinu si no ogbenye na anoka ahụ adịrị. Onye jiri ego na nwunye onwe ya nwe. But that does not mean na onye nwa dị so calm, but not so quiet. Ihe ga-eji wee mata nature of man mgbe nwoke ka nwoke si agwụ. Obi aka na abịa obite ego. Maka eji okwu ihe ahụ, this advice goes for women. Ọtụtụ ụmụ nwaanyị na-akụ ọta na-asị m Eze-Ana kedu ihe ya ga-eme. I have suffered for this guy, kedu ihe ya ga-eme. This guy emeghị ya abandon. Ana m agwa ọnụ gị now. Amakwa na o nwere ndị ga-afọlụkwa victim today. So pay attention. Asịrọ no nwere onye dị humble. Mana ọ ga na-akpa nni anya ufi aka ọnụ ya. Meaning ọ bụrụ na onye asị gị na ya dị humble, na-present onwe na ya dị humble, o nwere ike ihe ọ na-target your finances. So pay attention. Don't give the person everything. Pay attention. Be monitoring the person, assessing the person. Let the person earn it. That trust. But if you use you because of crocodile tears and sweet tongue, fall a victim, where were you heading well? Hand you over. N'aka ofu ofeke. Mgbe ọ ga-ebewa gị obi, ị ga-ebedo ka basị m Eze-Ana kere ihe a ga-eme. Bewa akwa sị m Eze-Ana gịnị mere? Ka eme ya nke a ka eme nke adị m egbu mmadụ, adị m alụ ọlụ ọjọọ. But I can tell you, common sense ka na-atinye gị. Now, common sense na-atinye gị bụ ime n'ihe ga-eme ka ịbanye n'ibe akwa ma ọ na-akụ ngara mmadụ emecha. Gịnị ka ị ga-eme? Pay attention. Before you trust anybody, don't leave your sense at home. Na-enye mmadụ based on ihe onye anwa merit. Before you take somebody as your personal person, bring up some certain decisions. Put the person into trial. Bring out some things for discussion. Key where we can ascertain on the true core of that person. Let me stop here. If you have questions, ask me. Remember 0805 7837 672 or 0813 8243 871. Ekpere ekwere m na Chineke. Ekwere m na ọ dị ihe siri m ike ke Chineke na-apụghị ezi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụwo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya. Ya gazie. May the blessing of Chukwu oke pụrụ ime ihe niile be with you all now and forevermore. Ka emesịa.